Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be talking about that what is the effect on SharePoint sites when you are using ADFS or maybe SAML tokens or maybe using form-based authentication in Google Chrome version 80 plus. So if you are using, let's say, Google Chrome browser 80 plus version, so it might be possible that you might be facing an issue while logging into your site, which is based on SharePoint Server 2013. And we will see in this video that how this issue can be resolved. So let's talk about the issue, that what will be the issue which you might face or might be facing currently with your SharePoint 2013 sites when you are accessing them in Google Chrome browser. So what is happening is, and in one of my case, in one of my SharePoint site, this has happened that the site is working perfectly fine on Internet Explorer browser, but that is stopped working on Google Chrome browser when I'm using form-based authentication in that SharePoint 2013 site. So what is happening is that when you have, let's say, ADFS configured, or you have SSO configured, which is SAML based on SAML based tokens, or maybe you have implemented form based authentication in your SharePoint site, so you will notice that intermittently or sometimes the user login fails and it goes into a login loop. So basically the users are not able to log into the site using their username and password or credentials when they are accessing the site using form based authentication. And what they see on the screen is an error occurred, contact your administrator for more information. So in that sense means they are almost helpless that how they can log in or get authenticated in the SharePoint site. And even if you're using FBA, so FBA also does not allow you to sign in either. So this is the primarily issue which we will be discussing in this video, that how you can resolve the issue if you are using Google Chrome browser with 80 plus version. Okay, so I just explored over the internet and found this some of the important links which I will be talking about, and we will go through all these links and then we will see that how this issue of accessing the SharePoint Server 2013 based site on Google Chrome 80 plus version. So let's get started. So I came across this particular Microsoft documentations which talks about effect on customer websites and Microsoft services and products in Chrome 80 version, 80 plus version or later. So here, if I scroll down, they have clearly mentioned that the stable release of Google Chrome web browser will roll out a change to the default cookie behavior. This is very important to understand that why this issue has occurred. This issue has occurred because Google Chrome web browser has rolled out a change to the default cookie behavior starting from the week of February 17th. Although the change is intended to only for the security purpose and to protect the web applications, but it is also expected to affect many applications and services, including Microsoft Cloud services. And here comes our case where we are facing the issue with SharePoint Server 2013 site, that it got stopped working suddenly on Google Chrome 80 plus version browser. Right now, first let's talk about that how you can check the Google Chrome browser. So if I write Chrome settings and then just I write help, so it will navigate to your page where you can directly see that which version of Google Chrome browser you are currently using. In my case, it is 95.0.463.69, so I am good, so I will not be having any problem. But in your case, if it is 80 plus and if you have not done the settings which I'm going to tell you now, then definitely you will go into an infinite login loop. So let's see this. Let's talk about the other article as well, Microsoft documentation again, which talks about the effect on SharePoint sites that uses again ADFS, SAML and form based authentication in Chrome plus 80 plus version. Right, so they have talked about the issue, that what issue you are going to face, what is the cause of this issue, and how you can means resolve or troubleshoot this issue, and they have given some steps to resolve this particular issue. Okay, so I will tell you the final word here, that how you can resolve this issue. What you have to do is you have to just navigate to the Chrome and just go to flags. and you will be navigated to a screen where all the cookies for this particular browsers are mentioned and their default status. So what you have to do is you just search for the same site cookie. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just enable it, because by default its value is default. You will see in your systems that the by default value is default. What you have to do, you have to make it enabled. So this is the solution through which your SharePoint site will start working again on Chrome browser version 80 plus. So this is a solution which is also given on the official website of the Chromium blog. So you can definitely go through these links in your spare time. I have already given the links, the hyperlinks of all these three URLs, the official documentation, Microsoft documentation in the description. So please have a try, have a look on it. That if you are facing SharePoint Server 2013 site issue not working, you are not allowed to log in Chrome browser 80 plus version, then definitely this video is going to help you out. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.